Today I'm removing the rear wheel assembly on my Honda 230 CRF. The first thing you want to do is just get this brake nut off. Then push on the brake pedal to clear that shaft. And there we go. Now I'm going to loosen the axle. And in theory, I'm going to be able to get this chain off. Okay, have it pretty loose. Oh, you got to go all the way here. Yep, you got to get these adjusters out. Okay. Now. Yeah, there we go. Chain is off. Now let's get the axle the rest of the way. You want to make sure you keep your parts right and left so you can mark them later. They go back on exactly the same way. Okay. I think it'll just come right off. Right? Nope. I'm going to pull it out. And there we go. This is a Kenda K-270 tire, and I think it's got a nail in it. It's worn enough, I'd like to get a new one. It's got something wrong with it, it loses air pretty quick, so it's time to get another one. So that's it. It's off. I can take it into town. I've marked these, so I know exactly how it goes back on. Right and left, and then you just want to take the brake drums out, and I can set this aside. And it's ready to go. I got about, I'm going to show you the tread, I got about 1,000 miles out of this tire, most of it off-road, and you can see some torn chunks out of the rubber, so it's seen some pretty good life. I do like this tire. It's street legal, does a good job. I'm going to get exactly the same thing. Alright, thanks for watching.